Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.